Hey guys, when I create a custom route on Google Maps, let me show you how easy it is just using your mobile phone. So follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's begin. First off, obviously open Google Maps on your mobile device and now simply search for the location to which you want to go. Now you can use either the search field at the top or you can find the location just on the map and just simply click on it. Now in this menu, just tap on the directions option and now select the walking mode right here in this tab. Now, just click on the three dots at the top right. This will actually bring up a pop-up menu and there select the Edit Stops option. Now you can add a stop. This way you will add another location to your custom route. And to do that, just simply click on this Add Stop field right there at the top and search for the location that you want to be added to your custom route. Now, it will automatically create a new custom route, but anyways, let me also show you how you can easily change the queue of the location for your custom route. So to do that, just tap and hold onto the three lines beside of the location for which you want to change the turn and bring it to the desired position. Now, as you can see, you can add any other additional stop, but when ready, just click on the Done option right there. Now you can pretty much start your custom route just by clicking the Start option at the bottom left. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.